WhatsApp disappearing photos. In self-destructive photos or videos that get deleted when viewed once. So in this video, I am going to provide you how you can disappear the photo on your WhatsApp, or how you can send the self-destructive photo or videos which get deleted when the friend or the user viewed once. So for that, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the WhatsApp app on your source bar. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your app, and you have to go and open up your app here. Once you have opened up your app, you have to select the one of the message. Once you have select the one of the message here, so if you want to send the self-destructive photos or videos which get deleted when viewed once, you have to just go for your camera icon which is on the bottom. Once you are here, you have to swipe it off here to send the videos or photo, or you can go for the photos icon, and you have to select the one of the photos or videos from your gallery, and on the bottom you can see the add caption option, and here you can find the one option here. So you have to simply tap on the one option, so the video will set to view once. So if you want to send the videos only viewed once here, just go and tap on the send option. So here you can see that the WhatsApp disappearing photos and videos has been applied. So you can send the viewed ones photo or videos like this on your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.